and Addo in the bushia. If yet say Ukrabe Ubeka home, Ubeka Kevin Taylor, and one more fight it here, Kavuriata. What's an out one? A common penicu phone.
Mamema akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusuafo ora SKB kasadema NPP amayoko no de nsem bia betudwa afa eye JFK meche NPP omo general secretary ho na o kire se JFK eye hypocrite na ne enti o ka say na ne say JFK aba out abe react to eye nsema Kelvin Taylor abekeka kire eye former president ora Akufo ensema eye Kelvin Taylor na nse wabeka ye na yunim ura kufo eye lazy nti na oti wheelchair mu obewie sika che say ofre no a whole lot of names na enya asem kitu Ghana fu bebra kasa afa ho titiri pa ne NPP fo no omo akondeme eye ensema Kelvin Taylor e kan no bebre na ebusuafo eye ura JFK ababontin abeka sisi ne Kelvin Taylor enka NPP party no because enko fu bebre na enim se Kelvin e kan NPP party na niwa bi na akoyi a and I say NPP for no favor now, or de ho yaw, ekodi NDC for echa so all this ankwase asem no. JFK ababontin abe condemn a year act in their course no. Na ora SKB our kasadema NPP no e kire say Kelvin Taylor how many times and I want na the platform so ND a year His Excellency the former president na Addo Akufo-Addo atem da ben na JFK eba bonten ebe condemn me enye se Akufo na waye ya na ye Akufo no oye yina ye papa MPP ye papa penin nti no say Kelvin JFK aba bonten abe condemn me say my Kelvin Taylor ka fa ne ho na eye perfect but JFK I saw ya ye nyiyim adenti na Addo ne de koso do one out am bekasa even though na Addo kwa no bu I offense a member at that time no nti JFK wanye ne yentin sema SKB ede etudwa
The wajano na alesete nam ho no gusu yesa na eye disuade kese de mayi na as MPP ma pese party ne o ho sisia no de bia no ye ka eyi fense Kelvin Taylor be ka o mampani kufu asem de afa de ade a Kelvin Taylor aye na Addo Akufo-Addo kodua afa na de meditate no kodua de nam amanfo kan ya ye no kre How said there why Adda Umwedi? On the tribe by night, tribalism na yekano. Anse could the Adda any wedi. But she and Akufo-Addo, why he be my papa? Udia. Usuku coin na Akufo-Addo come home. Or law school coy, Akufo-Addo abwao. Akufo-Addo ne boao. Wo. But Otanya with the monk of Fubinti. What me Kelvin Taylor for the past 5, 6, 7 years. It destroyed the image of Addo in the bushia. If yet say Ukrabe Ubeka home, Ubeka Kelvin Taylor, and one more fight it here, Kavuriata. What's an out one? A common penicu phone, and no dear would indicate a quarry, and ya made it da. I feel they also upon Kelvin Taylor. I think say big a crowd why I say opposition as a general secretary, I think a car. Mimi who is a car. Yeah, be a miracle in the moon, the best idea. But and then our best Kevin Taylor, every MPP. Kevin Taylor. Or change at him, or change him, to me up to some people and come and da. I didn't acquainted by Ramon. Kevin Taylor and Rebecca was asking me now. Kevin Taylor and Rebecca. And he caught na somebody beam. Now, in party no and na me can was a big no I don't want to go there party no ye hu sen krufu bi o party no mu a na ye de na hwemu na kakra ebeduru moso kakra ebeduru moso kasa kwan maka no na ye ba betena ha sei na we will show you guys odie me say kakra e bedru boso ne bedru no you guys mo batimo to ahua what now you bet them how the difficulties are mo di e kom na ye be show na ye be pay mu back but me attenance for for the past 8 years. I'm a Kevin Taylor. Let me destroy the image of Nana Akufo Addo Nabusia any MPP. Thank you. Be bien kawakuma. Enne afen wo hu sie pamke ayi Kevin Taylor free party no. Yate ai. Abo papo aso Nana Addo Nabusia mu. Abo papo aso MPP mo destroy the image of Kemfuriata. Afi ana wo hu say or say party no. Afi no oh yeah dear but I'm say and me to me say abo papo to no hwe ayi lusu ye seat lusu wo asante achem abo papo ma ye lusu ye abo papo ho hin ye lusu seat no asante achem omkoto ma independent candidate no so abo papo esenke apam party no for long time party mira na da ho no me ametie me so semra no ana me mro mra na so constitution na ya to se party ni se me tu me mro so me so se party no nti se bibi koso na nya the only thing you can do is a fast now be act na ya saki nipa no and as a general secretary say no num say ana NDC e de komani so na also say hwan una also so say hwan ya betuma sensen ukọ na hu nyansa na wosan ba na yetuma ye den apagya abo papo any events Ocean doye omu flas yes omu destroy party MPP no way back ntiere nyamia se na dey finally na mo maka distinguish ba o distinguish ne ba no aja se distinguish ba se obi ehun distinguish America ja yesi nkana 17 distinguish ba alestete aka ono so ye hu de o kafa no ho ntieni mo nimu ya no ma yehu alestete so stand e wo party ni ansana masore wo so edmanuesi afi yenko
asantememu de munda da otumfo to cuddle the ego of otumfo nana unkwaso nana DC10 nana no size adentia cause o asantememu or say so we call Eastern Regional a honor dicey because there are some people that still hold allegiance to the Ashantis, and in this case, not all compare a year or chimine. Into say we call baby a year chim for line in the a year for penny Momwan Abaso Tinu Momwan Abaso na Monya Yinamum Mamon Kanu too bad say and Otumfua is yes you for no and this is right up as my making a throw me one evidence what has see I meet with the actually Sammy Jemfi say NBC for never could this uncle mono Adia Bakwa SS one yo and then they say Eastern region for no we owe allegiance Yenya Santa for and our Santa Mine is almost the same thing. It's who call us so could do to for them or how Mubefu. Nemum, Wufrun the Eastern region is cut into parts. Ufri account for on the side of Eastern region. Now, but to say Ningo ni why on the so many at the end of the year, ye day diotum for them, and you're no crani or hine, no crano, on your king or your paramount chief. Meme say, Sammy Jemfiasamo, or Sisika and your kinship. Sammy Jemfi said Wednesday, me the salad and the beba, make kind of money now. Or Sisika and your kinship. And to move baby, or 2 4 inches down your popular on it there. Munkas or 2 4 just like any regular paramount chief. No, sorry, or to send Tadia Gun to send your Yenny Packet, and one no beer. And that is why they don't respect or 2 4. Simple. NDC will never respect Otum 4. It is not in them. They hate Otum 4. I don't care how you want to cut it. It is fact. Now, don't say it way. NDC don't like you. That is why it is always when they come to power, they disrespect you. Or say, Muko so many anesa places wana. Munchia santehene or chehene. Sa ahemfono. Mun formun to den. Mun formun to tankruum. Na mun hruam. Sie di okafa abono hino. or still or not there, they shouldn't touch him. It is in the letter. I say Wednesday, me the beba. Wednesday, me the big one will be a ready. Mundia Sante Hiniatem. Namun Cantes Asante Hini cannot be trusted. Because there's some person on Mohammed in Koma. I don't know what you and I can't come on Mohammed D. It you know Asante Hini cannot be trusted. But to kwa Santimemu dia. Kasa Asante big. But to free Santimemu dia. The Diomatem ki komiti boom. This is Sami Jemfi. The communication release. Lucky enough. Enough. I just had an app in a WhatsApp groups. Ya beba. It's no matter be. I know many now. Neja me informant be an amwoon. Meja me ya no dem Ghana number be. And they told so na information. It's not me information. Ne pepe. From penny full minimum. Na me de mom. Sadly, most of them didn't use it. But information be an enemy be an amedeba. So this same Sami Jemfi. Edidi otum for atem ye bibi no. I thought say by that time Asante mine will rise. They didn't. And uncle Danchen. Now, Sami Jemfi be hunu say ye to me attack you otum for. Na said you anya shade ya. And yes say no all hands on board will be a money na them. And into kaya omukoye meeting say ye beche chinkrofo asie isi no monfa no tutankruwam ye mpanifo asofo na omo beye so mo ne sebe MPP na be rock no it happened. Now Sami Jemfi say no ka say tribal politics is going to be key. This was 27th, was it 27th December? Was it December or November? One of them, 2019. That time, no, yeah, November. That time, ne ya koto 2020 abano. The next year, ne be election year. Internet also.